Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. I'm that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold you. I'm that bitch, man, I thought that they told you.
Hey bougie ladies, it's Barbie and I am back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew because it's the bougie way and no way, period. Today I am back on my wig installs and I am wearing Allove hair 26-inch straight wig, front lace wig, and I like this wig. The only thing that I really didn't like about this wig is that it did not come pre-plucked like at all. It was like a little bit up here, just a little bit, and then it was kind of on the, I wouldn't say so much thin, but it was like a very natural type of weft, if that makes sense. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's like a natural, but this is the wig. I curled it. In my next video, you'll see me getting ready and doing these curls, these loose, pretty curls. Didn't take any hard work at all. Literally took me about 10 minutes, literally. So stay tuned for that Get Ready With Me video. And I hope y'all enjoy this video and watch how I install this wig without plucking it and making it look very natural, and give y'all a life hack on when you don't feel like plucking your frontal. Do a middle part, bust down, and put the hair in the front. Nobody ain't gonna ever know. But you have to pluck it a little bit at the top, okay? Just a little bit. And then pluck your part and you good. So please continue watching and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so this is a wig from Allove hair. It is a 26-inch wig. First things first is I'm going to put on my wig cap. It's like a nude color. And I'm going to cut out the ears so that it will lay flat, and go ahead and spray it with my free spray in the front and blow dry that until it is completely dry. Once it's completely dry, I take my powder foundation and I put it all over the front of the cap and also on the frontal of the wig. So instead of bleaching the knots, this is what I do right here. I'm using my wax stick to move the flyaways and the baby hairs out of the way so that way I can lay the lace with no problem. Now I'm going to cut the lace by the ears so I can adjust the wig to my head. This wig was a little bit too big, but that was not a problem. All you have to do is just cut the lace to where it fits your head perfectly. And then I'm going to be using my Bougie Barbie hair gel, which is in stock on my website, and also the free spray as well. And then I'm going to blow dry that until it is tacky. Then I'm just going to press the lace and the hair into the product and blow dry that as well. And when I'm blow drying, I am blow drying on a cool setting. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the lace. All you have to do is follow the hairline and cut in a zigzag motion. Make sure you do not cut straight across. Now I'm going to pin my hair back and I'm going to spray down and blow dry all of the pieces that did not lay down the first time. Now I'm going to take some alcohol on a cotton ball and just clean my hairline. All of the white residue is from the freeze spray. And then after that, I'm going to part my hair, do a middle part, and then flat iron it. I'll be using my wax stick to lay my part down, which you'll see here in a second. And then that's pretty much it. And I'm just gonna pluck my hair, not my hairline, my part, just a little bit to make it look a little bit more natural. The wax stick is available on my website. It is in stock, and this is perfect for laying down your parts, especially with your hot comb. It's the perfect duo. And then right here, I'm just using the same powder foundation I used earlier to put on my part to make it match like my skin color, make it look a little bit more natural as well. So this is how it looks straight. I do have another video coming in a couple of days showing you guys how I put loose curls in it, but this is how it looks. This is a 26-inch straight front lace wig. If you do like this wig, all of the links will be in the description to purchase. There will also be a discount code. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next one, and thank you for your support.